Hey, how are you? This is for the Forex Success Club class, and I want you to look at this trade that we did. Let's look at it bigger. This is the Australian um, Swiss. You see where it came down and then it came back up. It's above this 9 day moving average, and I did find out how to do that. If I get rid of it, I was looking at I was tired and I was looking at uh, trend rather than the moving average. Just put 9 in there, make it simple. I have it on red and the line comes up. And it's just to show me where I'm at. You see it went below the red line and then came back above it, the moving average line. It should be breaking it and coming down. But as you see, the Australian Swiss is back to only a couple of pips ahead. It's only 5 pips in profit. But as you can see, so we're just still waiting for it to come down. It may take a couple of days, a couple of more days. It may come down tonight. But as we can see, the British pound, let's get the British pound dollar US. What's the British pound US? That dropped the way we expected. Okay. We started here, right here, and it just blew through that 9 day moving average and just boom. See, some people will wait until it gets under the moving average, a whole on the 4-hour day chart, but I wait. I do that on the 15-minute chart. You know, you see it broke way up here. I got in around this area. And look at it. Well, that's where I should have got. No, that's the British pound. Yeah, that's where I got in. Let's check out the moving average on the Australian Swiss. Okay. Where is the moving average? Out of this on the 15-minute, it would have been way over here. Okay. That's where it was under. Here, 15-minute is telling me to get in right here. And you see it's went up, but it's going to come down. So that's showing me if I was going to get here on the 15, because that's when it broke. See, this candle clearly is still not under it. This one is. So this is where I would have got in, looking at the 15-minute chart. But on the 4-hour, it never really broke. You see? So I'm just basing it on, if I took away it, so I would wait for it to get under, at least on the 15-minute chart. But I'm looking at the resistance, and I got in around this area. Okay? It just went back up, and it's still playing in the resistance area. So I basically, you can follow and wait till it gets under for safer trades on the 15-minute chart. Wait for it to get up under the 9-hour. The 15-minute, wait for it to get up under the 9-day moving average, like here, because it's going to come down on this candle, or the candle is completely under the 15, not halfway like this one. Wait for it to get completely under like this one. See here? This is what you're looking for, where it's under. That's what you want. That's perfect. This is not perfect, but it's going to come down. Okay? It's going to come down. It just went back up, retracted up a little bit. That's all, but it's going to come down, so you just got to be patient. But these two are in profit real nice. So let me take one of the profits, just so you'll know how you take profit. And let me see which one to close. Just close the position. Boom. I have one left. So it's at 40.82. Well, I got in at 140.82. It's at 39.88. What I'm going to do is do a stop loss and move the stop loss up to, I didn't put it on. I put it on and took it off. I'm going to move it to 139. Like 139. It's at 139.88. I'm over at 139.68. Oops. Not less. 138. 130. 140. 08. 40. 08. Don't even pay attention to the last number because that's not important. So that's just to protect. So I have a stop loss of 140.08. So if it goes up, retracts up 20 pips, it'll basically take me out of the position. Okay? If it goes down, I'll just make money. So I can go to sleep. I'm still in this trade. I'm making money. You know, making money with the Australian Swiss. Did my stop loss on the British Pound US. So we're doing it. I just want to show you how this system works. The safe bet is wait for it to get up under the red line on the 15-minute chart. You know, like it did here. But I catch it earlier. I use it. But it just shows me where I'm at. So I'm real comfortable in the trade right now. Okay? That's just me. You can be more safer and wait for it to get up under the 9-day moving average. I just go ham like I do. So, but basically I want to teach you your support, your resistance, and your support. Where's the highs? Where's the lows? Okay? And as you see, it's going to come down. This Australian, Swiss, and British pound is just kicking ass. Okay? So that's how we do. I just wanted to show you that. For you traders, let's make that money.